Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS29 in gold. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, just grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Plate will come off nice and easy just like that. Okay, these two holes at the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put the screws to fasten to your pattress box. Okay. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice that you have a two-way and an intermediate switch here. Okay. The big difference between the two of them is you have your intermediate that has 4 terminal hole screws, and you have your two-way which has 3 terminal hole screws. Okay, the reason that you would want to get a 9 or an intermediate over a two-way is if you want to control your lights from 3 separate locations. Otherwise, a two-way will do. Let's say also you bought the 9-way and a two-way, an intermediate and a two-way. You can get these interchangeable as well. So if you need two two-ways, you can pop this one out, put another two-way in, and vice versa with the intermediates. Okay. Flip it back over. Let's put the plate back on. Okay, plate really nice and easy to put on. You'll hear that click. You'll know that it's in there nice and snug. Okay. Let's take a look at our instructional leaflet now. Okay. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. On the other side, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right hand corner, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page. It'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the back here you have our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the two-way, 9 for the intermediate, and GO for gold. Our barcode there in the center, and in the top left hand corner you have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right hand corner here, so you know that this package that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.